Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Santi. Today we are gonna make a pencil holder because that is my project. First, we need 2 cans and double-sided tape and masking tape and this printed design. First, we are gonna put the masking tape for safety. I already put it. If you don't put the masking tape, you are gonna be not safe. You have gonna have a boo-boo. Now, we are gonna put the double-sided tape, guys. We already put the double-sided tape. Now we are gonna peel it. I'm done peeling the double-sided tape. Now we are gonna put the design. This design for the other can and this design is for the other can. Now guys, we are gonna put it now. I already cut the design. Now we are gonna put the design, guys. Now let's do the next one, guys. I'm also done here, guys. Now we are gonna put the pencil in my ball pen. And my marker. Bye guys, I hope you like it. It's not that pretty, but it's okay. Bye guys.